Hi everyone, welcome to IT's workshop. So let us start discussing with basic data type in the Python. So we can create numbers, string and list in the Python. We'll be discussing other data type also one by one. So as we have already seen with the number, you can directly perform your calculation and you get the result. uh, there are two types of division here. One, if you are performing a direct division here, suppose you have 10 divided by 5, so you'll be getting a a result 2.0. It's always in the floating number. Okay, so if you just need a floor division, then you can use double slash using that. So suppose I need to perform same calculation, you can use double slash, then you'll get just the part without the point. After the point, you won't get that part. Suppose 9 divided by 2, so you will just get 5. If you are dividing it directly, 9 by 2, you will get a part with the floating point value 4.5. okay, so that's the difference in the division here. Then we have discussed these things. Then there is a variable, underscore variable is available. So underscore variable means the last printed expression, whatever is available, whatever the value is available, is assigned to underscore. So it might look little crazy now. So you can see 10 plus underscore. So what was underscore here? 4.5. That was the last printed value in the calculation. So it automatically assigns in the variable underscore. You don't have to create it separately. It automatically assigns that. Then I'm using that underscore variable in the coming calculation, and my result is 14.5 itself. Then we have seen how do we create a string, whether single quote or double quote string can be created. Row string means you have some special character. Suppose this is my path of the file and I have a special character. I'm trying to give this path, go into the C drive, then some folder, then a name subfolder is there. So /n. So if you are performing this task directly, if you are performing this print directly, if you are taking this path, then it considers the /n means new line. It goes to new line. Yes. So I want to perform this task as a row string. Row string means don't consider this as a /n, consider this as a row string, all string combined together, and then go to this path. That's what I'm trying to do. So now if you give r before the string, it means you are working with the row string. So if you are working with row string, then /n/t, all these special meaning will be hidden. You won't be using those anymore. So you can create a string like that. Then we have concatenation and indexes. So if I come to string concatenation means I have two strings. Suppose I have name variable here. Suppose I define name to, I'm just using up arrow. You can start your command line and you can do programming. So name plus, suppose it's attached with last name, I can give last name here. Yes. So you can see this is a string concatenation. Putting more than one string together is a string concatenation. So Rajesh, then we are putting the last name itself. We are concatenating these two. You can do this with variable. So if it's like if you are trying to perform addition with your string. Yes, so the symbol is just plus, but addition for your string means what? It means your concatenation. Suppose I have lname variable and lname is assigned to this value. So you can write name plus lname, and that will go to Rajesh Sharma like this. So this is a string concatenation. Suppose I am trying to do my string concatenation with, let me clear the screen so that it comes up. suppose I have a name variable, I'm just giving it Raj, and I have some variable, some number is there, I can assign it 10, name plus number. So here is the problem. Now you're trying to say that this is the string and this is the number, so how about putting it together? Yes, so you cannot perform addition because the interpreter is confused, can only concatenate string with string, you cannot concatenate with integers. So there are two options, whether you want to convert your number into the string, then you can perform this task. So I can do this name, then we have a built-in function str, which is nothing, which is just used for string representation of whatever object you are using. So suppose I want to say that take my num and convert into string representation, and then we can perform concatenation. Okay, so you can see name concatenated with number. I cannot perform direct concatenation, so I just converted into a string representation, then I'm printing back into the string. Okay, now on the other hand, suppose I have 20, suppose this n is the variable and which is data type here 20. So I need to check data type for this. You can see that I am writing this 20 in the code, it means this is a string. Still you can check, so there is a built-in function type and you can check data type for the n, and you can see, so this is object of string. Okay, and remember one thing, that whatever we are working in the Python, so everything is object, even the functions are object. We'll come to that discussion. And now my requirement is I need to add this n with some other number, suppose 10. Now you can see, so still you have same problem. You have a string representation of a number and you have 10 here. So how are you going to perform addition here? I don't want to perform concatenation here. I want to convert my string into the number, because this is 20 string, so it can be converted into number. So you can use, suppose I have 10 here, plus you can use a built-in function int, and you can supply your n variable and you can perform addition. So int is a function which will take the number, so it is taking the number it was possible for converting this 20 string into 20 number. Yes, that's why, so we converted into this 20, which was not a direct number but a string representation, but it was possible to convert. So we converted into number. 20 plus 10 is 30. Suppose I just have some other string variable and I try to convert into number, so this is not possible. Yes, I don't know what will be the string representation for Raj. Yes, so the requirement is it should be possible for your number to be convertible. Yes, so if you give int for the string 25, you'll get a number 25. Yes, so this is how you can perform basic concatenation or addition depending on the data type you are working upon. So let's jump to the next video for list.